Stop. Do not scroll. Not yet. For the next few moments, forget everything that is demanding your attention. Forget the notifications. Forget the pressure. Forget the noise. Just listen. Because maybe your heart is tired of carrying what your tongue never speaks about. Maybe you have been strong for too long. Maybe you have been fighting battles that nobody knows exist. And maybe this reminder reached you tonight for a reason. Nobody sees the full story. They see your smile. They see your posts. They see the version of you that survives the day. But Allah sees the part of you that breaks in the middle of the night. The thoughts you cannot explain. The fear you cannot control. The questions that keep returning. The tears you wipe away before anyone notices. He sees every moment you felt alone. Every moment you wanted to give up. Every moment you whispered, "Ya Allah, I cannot do this anymore." And He heard every word. What if the thing you have been chasing is not what your soul actually needs? What if peace was never waiting at the end of success? What if peace was never hidden inside someone's approval? What if peace was never in having everything go exactly according to your plan? Because hearts were not created to be filled by the world. They were created to know their Creator. And sometimes Allah allows the world to disappoint you. So you finally discover the one who never will. Sometimes He removes distractions so you can hear His guidance. Sometimes He slows your journey so your soul can catch up with your body. Listen carefully. You do not need to have your life figured out tonight. You do not need every answer. You do not need to know how everything will work out. You only need to know this. Allah has never stopped knowing your situation. He has never stopped hearing your prayers. He has never stopped seeing your effort. Waiting, not once, not for a single second. The door of His mercy is still open. The door of His forgiveness is still open. The door of hope is still open. So why are you standing outside? Return, even if your steps are small. Return, even if your heart feels broken. Return, even if you have fallen 1,000 times. Return. Years from now, you may look back at this difficult season and realize something beautiful. The pain was not destroying you. It was shaping you. The waiting was not empty. It was preparing you. The silence was not abandonment. It was an invitation to trust Allah more deeply than ever before. So tonight, put your worries down for just a moment. Lift your heart toward the one who created it. And remember, no matter how heavy your burden feels, it will never be heavier than the mercy of Allah. If this reminder reached your heart tonight, write in the comments, "Ya Allah, I trust you," and share it with someone who needs this reminder.